Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss switch case statement in C language. This is our next decision control statement in C language. We have discussed if else and else if. So we are going to see now what is switch case and how it is useful. So switch case is useful whenever we have a condition and we have to check it multiple time, and on based upon that we have to predict or we have to do some particular task. So in this video or in this example, I'm going to make a simple calculator using switch case. So first you will get to learn what is switch case, on what is the syntax of switch case, and how it is executed. So first, a very simple start with a very simple code, that is including the file, and then the main function. And after it, what I will do, I will ask from my user. First let me declare the variables. So I'm going to create a calculator. For that I will need two operator on which we will perform various tasks, and then I will create another variable of char type which is operate. That means we will store here the operator, whatever operator user will write, that means plus, minus, divide, multiply, whatever. So first I will take the operator from my user, printf enter an operator. So by this I will get operator, and scan by writing scanf. I will take the input %c for character, address of operator, and next what I will do, I will ask from my user to enter two numbers. Enter two numbers, and I will take the numbers by scanf. So this much code should be familiar to you because we have done this multiple times. Address of a comma, address of B. So this is very simple code, we have done it many times. So what is new in this, we are going to use switch. So for that I will write switch keyword. So switch is a keyword in C, SWITCH, switch. I'm getting suggestion also. So in that switch, what I will do, I will write the condition which I have to check, because you all know what is a calculator. It has numbers from 0 to 9, and at the same time it has some operators such as plus operator, minus operator, multiply operator, divide operator, and that remainder operator. So the numbers will be same, but based upon the operator, the operation on the two number will be changed. So if my user choice plus as an operator, then I have to print some different number. If my user choose multiply as an operator, then I have to print a different number. So based upon operator we have to perform the task. So I will check operator RAT, because we have taken operate for the variable operator, and after it I will put a curly braces. The curly braces are within the main function, and after it, as the name suggests, switch case, so it includes switch and case. So what in the case we are going to do, we will now check the multiple options such as plus option. If operator is plus, and the compiler will check that if that operator matches with case or not. If this happens, then print sum is percent d comma a plus b. This variable will be, this expression will be replaced, the answer of this expression will be replaced by this percent d. And then after it, another condition, case, another case, that if case matches with minus, then do printf difference. Difference is percent d, and in that I will write a minus b. After it, the next case multiply, printf, what I will write, product is percent d, and in that I will write a multiply b. After it, case divide, and then printf division is percent d and a divided by b. And at last I will write case for modulus operator, and then printf reminder is percent d, and in the then argument a modulo b. So this is how we create a switch kit statement syntax, in which I have written operate in switch expression, and this will be replaced by the operator entered by user, and that operator will be checked by each of these case, that if that matches with any one of these, then the next statement will be printed. And at last, if the operator entered by user do not found within these cases, that means it do not matches with any of these cases, then we have another which is called default. That means if none of this will run, then default will run. And what it will print? It will print printf the operator entered do not match. Let us suppose our user will make a operator as hash create hash as a operator, then it will not found in any of these cases. Then at last this line will be printed, that some mistake in this line, operator entered do not match. So let us try to run this program. We have an error message here, product is very, so we get an error message here because of the comma operator. We haven't include comma here. So now this is fine. So let us now run this code and enter an operator. I will write minus operator, and then I will declare two numbers at 4 and 6. So what I'm getting here, the difference is -2, which is correct, but here I'm getting division is 24, division is 0, product is 24, reminder is 4, the operator enter do not match. So why is this happening here? So one condition in switch case is that after every statement we have to add a keyword, that is break. So what is the use of break? So break is used to close the execution of the program. Why? Because we have a condition and that condition matches with the case, and now we are printing the statement. That means whatever task we have to do, we have done that. Then at last we have to add a keyword break, so that the next lines of code will not run. So let me do this. I will add a keyword break here and copy after every statement. So I haven't include the break keyword to show that what happen if we do not add that keyword. So control V here also. So if now we build and run our program. So if I add multiply as operator and write 7 and 8, so what I'm getting, product is 56. So you can think that how execution will happen. That first the execution of program start from main. Memory will be allocated to a and b variable. Then care operator operate, sorry, and then operator will enter and operate, and it will store and operate, and then two numbers will be taken by the user, and then the character operate will be given to switch, and now switch will check that if any of the case matches with that operator or not, and if it matches, then the next line of the code, that means inside the case, inside after the semicolon, in this block whatever code written will be executed. And if none of the condition, none of the case constant matches with the operator, then default will run. And if we do not add default also, then we will get nothing as output if no matches there, if we do not include this. And let us try to run this program, and let us write some operator which is not present in our case constant. So let me write hash as operate, and then if I enter 6 and 7 as number, so I'm getting no output. So why this is happening? Because the case constant hash do not matches with any of these case case, therefore no match is there and no default is there, so we are getting no output. So this is how switch case statement works. Thank you for watching.